Hello, beautiful people. Coach Erica here, and in this video, we're going to talk about why your hoop keeps dropping when you're learning how to waist hoop and how to fix it. Let's go. So if you're getting frustrated and you feel like, oh my gosh, well, I'm just going to put my hoop up, then please refrain from doing that. I have some troubleshooting techniques that can help you along your way and have you hooping in no time if that's what you really want to do. All right. So first and foremost, we got to make sure you have a big hoop. Okay, so a department store hoop or even like a 30-inch dance hoop. Let's see, like a hoop small like this. I don't know if you can see the sizes, isn't going to help you out along your waist. And a lot of people don't know this, and that is quite okay. I've been doing this for over a decade, so this is just something that is almost second nature to me. But if you have no idea and haven't been doing this, of course, you don't know all the ins and outs, and that's completely fine. That's why I have this channel, and that's why I'm so passionate about helping people do something fun for movement. So get yourself, this is a piece of fitness equipment. So please, have a lot of fun and be serious about your hoop. Get something that is nice and decorative. There are so many hoop shops on Etsy. All the Hoopla, I love her. I love the Hula monsters, and I love so many other people. So make sure that you get a good old hoop. You can talk to the hoop maker, but you can also, make sure you are definitely getting something over 40 inches. I don't recommend anybody. I don't even care how small of an adult you are. If you're at the very beginning and you haven't did anything with hula hooping, try something over 40 inches in diameter. You can always go down, but at the beginning, just getting the movement down, and it actually helps with preventing injury, hurting your back, overdoing because a lot of people jerk at the beginning, but if you have a big hoop, that kind of balances that out and helps you to not hurt yourself. So that's one of my big things too, is injury prevention, because with any activity, you do risk that, and that's anything. So make sure you get a big old hoop if you are struggling. If your hoop's not big enough, you are going to struggle. That's just gonna happen. And you might not be successful at all. And I don't like saying that, but like if it's super tiny, you're probably not gonna get the hoop to not drop without risking injury and that sort of thing. Okay. So now that your hoop is big enough and you have that all squared away, make sure that you are shifting your weight. Practice doing this. Practice going forward and back. And what happens when you introduce the hoop, you go faster. And you're gonna get biofeedback. You're gonna get this feedback. You're gonna be more aware of what your body is doing, and you're gonna start pushing, right? It's gonna hit your the front of you and the lower back. So your abs and your lower back. Core, lower back, and the lower part, usually, right? So I'm just going to do a quick demo here. Just make sure, and see, I'm going faster. So one of the good saves for when the hoop is dropping is just hooping faster, rocking back and forth faster, okay? So really, just try that save alone. There are a few others, but trying that save to just rock a little bit faster to keep the hoop from falling should help you tremendously. So again, it's having a big old hoop to start with, and two, it's about moving faster with that weight shift. I talked about a weight shift in the previous video, but I'm really fine tuning it in into just making sure that you are hooping with enough speed to keep the hoop up. But to avoid injury, avoid using your back and getting too deep into it with your back and your hips. Make sure you are shifting your weight with your legs. Make sure you're doing it with the legs. When you become more efficient in hooping, you can do more of that. But when you're just starting and learning how to keep the hoop up, I would prefer that you avoid injury as much as possible and just shift your weight from side to side and forward and back with your legs. All right? All right, I hope this video was helpful. If you'd like to learn more about hoop dance fitness, please be sure to check out Hoop to the Rhythm's official membership site, where you can gain access to both free and paid memberships. Until the next video, take care and God bless.